So I painted this with some acrylic enamel. That was 24 hours ago. It's been drying for 24 hours and I noticed that I got a little bug right there. So I'm going to show you how to remove that real quick. First thing you want to do is I'm using 1500 grit sandpaper. And we're just going to squirt that and the sandpaper with a little bit of water. And we're going to wet sand that guy out. Just lightly. You don't have to go too crazy. And that should be good right there. So we'll dry that. And I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but it's pretty dull right there right now because of the sandpaper. Then we just take our wheel. This is just a Harbor Freight Drill Master. We'll clean it. And then this is Diamond Cut rubbing compound number 85. We'll put a little bit of that on the wheel. About that much. And so that it doesn't spray all over the place, I do this. And that guy's gone. Now I'm just going to clean this up and we'll see what the finished product looks like. And that's it. The bug is gone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel.